Hello my viewers and welcome back to another unboxing, viewing and testing, and today I have this torque wrench from Walter, quality since 1919. In a robust, very durable case. I like it. It looks great. Well, let's open to see what we have inside and find out more about this product and how we can use it. Manual, if you want to read, is your choice, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. Included at the box we have one 125mm extension bar, chrome vanadium. I like that everything are very tight in the correct position. One 17mm socket, chrome vanadium, 19mm and 21mm. And of course we have the torque wrench. Wow, it's quite heavy. Square drive with quick release. Eject button. Install one of the sockets. Press the button. Press again to release. And the same, of course, and for the extension. And of course you can use the extension with one of the sockets. We have the change lever here, left and right. Press the button to release. Here we have the adjustable handle, locking screw, unlock that to adjust. Here it is the 0 line, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, it is the maximum, and 0 again. We have the main scale from 80, it is the number, to 210 Newton meter, or on a kilogram, from 8.2 to 21.4. And with the scale handle you can adjust. Now for coarse adjustment, let's say 135 Newton meter. Because we don't have 135 Newton meter, we have 130 or 140. So you need to choose the lower. Adjusting, just to choose 130. And there it is. There's the 0 alignment very well at the middle and with a 130. And then you can tie this screw and just work. Now, if you want to do a fine adjustment, let's say 124, you need to choose the 120. There is the 120. And then, after the 120, choose the 4 at the scale handle. So we have 124 Newton meter. This is the fine adjustment. And again, screw this and start working. Same thing and for the kilogram. You need to make a coarse adjustment for the kilogram and choose 10.5. We don't have 10.5, it is 10.2 or 11.2. So you need to choose the lower. That means 10.2. 0, and there it is. This is a coarse adjustment. Now if you want to choose a fine adjustment, let's say 12.8. We don't have 12.8, we have 12.2 and then 13.3. Let's go at the 12.2 and we need another 6 from the scale, from the handle scale. So 12.2 plus 6, there's the 6, we have 12.8 total. Tight again this and just start working. I like it. It is so easy and fast to adjust this torque wrench, if that is for Newton meter or kilogram. Now I will test it on my car, on my wheels. I need to tighten my bulbs, so I need 120 Newton meter. But first I will test it with 90 Newton meter, and then 100, and then 110, and in the end 120 Newton meter. So here I will choose 90 first. We have 90, yep, correct. There it is. Perfect. Tight this. And let's move on. I need the 17. Fast and reliable high-quality torque wrench makes it very easy to tighten the bolts on your wheels. And because it is adjustable torque wrench, you will have the correct tight. Make a coarse or fine adjustment, it depends where you want to use this tool. And I like a lot that it comes with this durable plastic case. You can have it at your car and use it at the right moment. Or anywhere else, it is your choice. Compare it with a wheel nut wrench, I was never able to unscrew the bolts, was so difficult. But with this torque wrench makes it so easy. So if you want to have this in your car and make your life more easy, only for you my viewers it costs 27 euros. Until my next video, don't forget to hit the notification bell, subscribe and share this video, you never know who may need it. Have a nice and lovely day, bye bye.